Hey everybody, what we're going to do today is just learn how to log onto the website that we're going to be using for assignments and possibly tests also. So in a browser, you're going to want to go to my.hrw.com, and I would suggest bookmarking that just so you can remember it. All right, so when we go there, to log in, you already have a username here. You're already registered, okay? And so you want to put in your full email address, student email address. And then your password is just going to be your 6-digit student ID number. And then click login, of course. So this is what you'll see at first. You're going to be focusing on this area down here where your assignments are. So let's just take a look at what an assignment looks like. So I'm going to click Start here. And so what you can do to go different questions, of course, you're going to click these numbers. All right. A couple of features I just want to point out really quickly here. I don't want to make this video too long, but you can ask if you don't know how to do the problem, you need an example. If you click example, it'll actually do this problem for you. See, it just gave you the answer. Now, in order to get another one to do yourself, that doesn't count as part of your assignment just to have the computer do it for you. You'll click try another. In fact, you can't click question, right? So you click try another, and then it'll give you a fresh one. You have a different equation here, and then you can do that. All right. If you need things to be broken down by steps, you can do that also. It'll kind of walk you through and do the problem. But once again, in order to have a more official problem that you're going to turn in, you're going to have to do try another. All right. But if you need to do one in steps first, you can do that. Um, Another feature that's handy is you can actually watch a video about the problem. Now, not all problems have this icon, but a lot of them do. And so it'll bring up a video here, and there's a teacher, Mr. Berger, or Dr. Berger, rather. He'll tell you about how to do that kind of problem. They're pretty short videos, and it's about 6 minutes. He's a good teacher, so so yeah, that's another option if you want to see an actual human being explaining it to you, albeit online. All right, and then a couple other options. I wouldn't click the textbook link here. That's probably not going to be very useful. But the print, if you want to actually print out the problem, you can do that. While you're working on these problems, I would highly suggest you use scratch paper. A lot of these problems, you're going to have to work out some things on paper. There's really no way you can even draw something on the screen if you wanted to. I would just say some paper, pencil, do it that way. All right, so that's how that looks. Once you're all done with the problems, you would click turn it in. You can also, if you don't finish the assignment, want to come back to it, you can do save and close, and it'll be here for you to finish later. You just click resume. Let's quickly take a look and see what would a test look like in here. So let me go to start on that test, and you'll see it looks similar to the assignments. The main thing that's missing is that example and the step-by-step, and that's basically the difference. All right, so the problems are going to look really similar. I actually chose different topics, I guess, for this test and the assignment, but the questions are just the format is similar. You just don't have the luxury of asking for help on these. So, and then, once you're done, you would turn it in, or you can come back to it also. You can save and close, and you can come back to it later. All right, so that's a really quick intro to my.hrw.com. All right.